Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Underdog over here in East Kentucky on his Cobra 29. Underdog, we got you fixed up. RF power right here on the RF gain. Got your echo board right here on the Delta tune. I'm going to get right to it. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. It's a 1/2 watt carrier. And it'll roll way on up there. 100-watt slug. Make it back down some here. Show you average power. Hello, 12 bird average. Peak. Hello, 40 peak. Back it down to 1 watt. Watt slug. Hello, still 40 peak. Average. Hello, still 12 bird. It's my comp tune for you, Mr. Underdog. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.